In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an account on Wise and in particular, how to create a personal account. Let's dive right in and get started with the process. First things first, open your Wise application. You can do this by tapping on the app icon on your device, or if you're using a computer, simply navigate to the Wise website on your browser. Once you're there, you'll see a prompt to select your email. This is a crucial step, as your email will be used for account notifications and to secure your account. So go ahead and take a moment to choose the email address you want to register with. Ensure it's one you have access to and check regularly. Next, you'll be presented with the option to choose between a personal account and a business account. For the purposes of today's tutorial, we're going to select the personal account option. This is ideal for managing individual finances, sending money to friends and family, or receiving funds from abroad. It's straightforward, user-friendly, and perfect for personal financial transactions. Once you've selected the personal account option, you'll need to specify your country. For this tutorial, we're choosing Ghana. Select Ghana from the country list. It's important to choose the correct country, as this will tailor the features and options available to you based on your region. Click on Continue to proceed to the next stage. You'll then be asked to enter your mobile number. Input your number carefully, because Wise will use this number to send you verification codes and important alerts. After entering your number, you'll need to wait for a verification code to be sent to your mobile device. Once you receive the code, type it into the provided field. If you haven't received it yet, check your phone's messages or request the code to be sent again. The purpose of this code is to confirm that the phone number provided is indeed yours and that you can access it. Next, you'll see the option to send a verification code by clicking on the button labeled Send Verification Code. This action triggers the sending of the verification code, which is a vital step in the authentication process, as it secures your account and ensures all your transactions are shielded by two-factor authentication. Now follow the on-screen prompts carefully. These will guide you step by step through the remainder of the setup process. It will lead you to where you can create a secure and memorable password. This password should be unique and complex enough to protect your account from unauthorized access. Remember, a strong password typically includes a mix of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Once your password is set, you're almost there. At this point, you can log into your new Wise account using the email and password you just set up. Congratulations! You're all set up and ready to start taking advantage of everything Wise has to offer for your personal transactions. Make sure to explore the app to familiarize yourself with its features. Enjoy using Wise.